Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're making Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Now this is the easy version. I usually use the thinly sliced flank steak, but I'm using the Philly cheesesteak frozen meat in the package you can get in the freezer section. Now I'm just going to start by heating this meat. You can't cook it while it's frozen, so that's pretty cool and it's faster. I'm going to cook it until it's fully cooked. Once it's halfway done cooking, I'm just going to season it up with a couple seasonings. I'm using a little bit of my adobo all-purpose seasoning, some onion powder and garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper as well. And then we're just going to mix that all together. And once it's finished cooking, we're going to take this out and start on our bell peppers. Now I sliced up some green bell peppers. I'm just going to cook these until they're pretty soft. I like a little char on it as well. That gives it additional flavor. Once these are done for about, let's say saute for about 4 to 5 minutes, we're going to take these out. Like I said, this recipe is super simple and easy. I went the easy route for you all. Now I do have my original recipe under my videos. You can check that out as well. So I'm taking some vegan egg roll wraps, and I'm going to start with 2. Now this will make about 4 to 6. I only made 4. That's all I wanted for a little appetizer. I'm going to start with some freshly sliced mozzarella cheese, and then I'm going to place my peppers and steak right on top, and then I'm going to add some more cheese as well. Now I usually use an egg wash, but I'm just going to use a little bit of water to coat the sides so that way it sticks pretty well. Now I will go slow for the first one, and then I'll speed it up a little bit. So you just want to take your sides and you want to meet that in the middle, then take that opposite side and fold it under, and the key is to tuck and roll. So just keep tucking and rolling, folding up those sides and roll it up. Egg rolls don't have to be perfect. It's fun. Make it fun and just enjoy yourself. So I'm going to continue on finishing up these egg rolls and let you all just watch. I usually fry my egg rolls, but I love working with my air fryer now. So I'm going to actually try to air fry these for the first time. So I'm just going to spray some non-stick cooking spray in the air fryer, and then we're going to place our egg rolls in the air fryer. And I did spray these a little bit as well to create more of a crust. I'm gonna air fry it for, let's try 350 for 10 minutes. Now I did add a couple additional minutes just to get it crispy like this. They came out awesome. I love them, you guys. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.